Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to Google search in a different language. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you need to have the Google app downloaded onto your phone. So basically, if you want to search on something in a different language, let's say when you go to Korea and you want to search some nice restaurant nearby and you can only speak in English. If you want to type in Korean, what you can do is click on the Google Translate button. So let's say I want to find nearest restaurant. And you want to be translated into the language that you want. So let's say I want it to be translated into Korean. Then when I click on search, it will show me the nearest place that you can eat in Korea. And that is how you will be able to Google search in a different language. And this is how you would be able to also do in multiple language when you go to different countries. Thank you.